Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow backup and sync of videos and photos using mobile data usage on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here swipe up to go down, and you want to go down and tap on accounts and backup. Next, in here we go down and tap on backup data, then go down and tap on photos and videos. In here, make sure backup and sync is switched on. Then we go down and tap on mobile data usage. Now in here you can include a daily limit for backup of no data, 5 MB, 10 MB, 30 MB, or unlimited. And then in here you can choose backup videos over data. So if you don't want to allow videos to be backup using data but only allow photos, then you switch this off. Otherwise, if you have a plan of unlimited data, then you can switch this on. You can also choose to turn on backup while roaming or not as well. And that's it. And so select one of the options. If you don't want to allow to backup of photos or videos using mobile data, then you can choose no data. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.